like
be on the streets like in New York.
but no, but he meant like people were like throw their garbage bags into the garbage can. They should be throwing them into their garbage, that the city
Got it.
provides for
Yeah.
their for janitorial.
Right.
And I'm like,
Streets
so
Museum.
you don't want people to use the garbage cans? Like that
Yeah.
seems dumb. And he's like, well, the problem is that people use them too much, and we can't afford to give that route to someone on streets and sanitation. And I'm like, but then you just have garbage everywhere, and you got to
You
pay
know,
somebody else to clean that up.
I
And
swear,
it's just like,
I mean, listening to like literally the benefit of living in an urban environment is the diversity and the
mhm,
amenities and the resources that we have, like, the museums and really amazing
mhm,
Michelin star restaurants. All those things are benefits. But the other reason that people stay in cities is, sanitation, law enforcement, really great schools, and quality of life. And I guess, again, I keep going back to this. Like when one of my sons was, he was at After School Matters this summer. And this is my child that has, he's got ADHD, which I believe was intensified because of the pandemic.